I know many of us have tried extreme dieting methods thinking they'll help us lose weight faster. Maybe you've starved yourself for long periods, skipped meals regularly, or followed diets that eliminate entire food groups. But the truth is, these approaches can be really harmful. They often lead to weight gain and nutritional deficiencies in the long run. Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about a key question: why might you gain weight even when you're not eating enough? Plus, we'll explore what to eat, managing portion control, and the importance of meal timing. Let's get started. First, let's talk about metabolism. Your body needs energy to function, which it gets from food. When you eat less, your body goes into a conservation mode. In this mode, your metabolism slows down to conserve energy. It's like your body is trying to stretch its resources to last longer. When you're not eating enough, your body thinks it's in danger of starvation. To protect itself, your body may store more fat and hold on to existing fat more stubbornly. This is a survival mechanism from our ancestors' times. So, even though you're eating less, your body is actually trying to keep you safe by holding on to energy in the form of fat. Another factor is stress. When you don't eat enough, your body perceives it as a form of stress. In response to this stress, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. Elevated cortisol levels over a prolonged period can lead to several issues, including weight gain. Specifically, cortisol tends to promote the accumulation of fat in the abdominal area. This is because abdominal fat cells have more cortisol receptors compared to fat cells in other parts of the body, making them more likely to store fat when cortisol levels are high. This creates a counterproductive cycle where the stress of not eating enough can actually lead to weight gain rather than weight loss. To avoid this, it's simple. Follow these guidelines known as the 3 R's: eating the right foods, in the right amounts, and at the right times. Focus on balanced meals that include lean proteins, whole grains, plenty of vegetables and fruits, and healthy fats. Now, there are 2 types of healthy fats. First is monounsaturated fats found in avocados, olive oil, and nuts. These fats help you feel full and satisfied, reducing overall calorie intake. The second type is polyunsaturated fats found in flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. These fats help reduce inflammation and improve metabolism, supporting weight loss. Second is be mindful of your portion sizes. Portion control is very crucial. Use measuring cups, a food scale, or visual cues to ensure you're eating appropriate portions. For example, a serving of protein should be about the size of your palm, a serving of carbs the size of your fist, and fats should be roughly the size of your thumb. Or what you can do is fill half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains. Now, let's talk about meal timing. Eating regular, balanced meals helps keep your metabolism steady. Aim for 3 main meals and 2 snacks per day, with about 3 to 4 hours between meals. For example, you could have breakfast at 7 a.m., a snack at 10 a.m., lunch at 1 p.m., another snack at 4 p.m., and dinner at 7 p.m. This helps prevent extreme hunger and overeating later. For snacks, choose nutrient-dense options like a piece of fruit with nuts, fox nuts, roasted chana, yogurt with berries, or whole grain crackers with hummus. So remember, to avoid weight gain when trying to eat less, focus on balanced, nutritious meals, control your portions, and keep a regular eating schedule. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more health tips.